Spicy sweet roasted sweet potatoes is a delicious side dish. It's healthy and it's packed full of flavor.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carrie Pratt and I am so excited that you're here. Today we're going to do our second addition to Thanksgiving dinner, and we're going to do a sweet potato side dish. Now, not your grandma or mom's sweet potato side dish, which was mushed with marshmallows on top. No, this one is a showstopper and everyone's going to love it because it's an awesome combination of sweet and savory.
To make this dish, you're going to start with 3 large sweet potatoes. Peel and slice them into bite-sized pieces. I make them pretty small. I would say about 1/2-inch pieces. Next, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The sweet potatoes are coated in a mixture that's both sweet and spicy. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. And it may seem like a lot of brown sugar, but this is what gives it the sweet caramelized outsides, which make this amazing. Next, you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you'd like it spicier, add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's your choice. Now you're going to stir to coat the sweet potatoes evenly with all that spices and sugar to make sure that it's well covered. And you might need to add a little bit of extra of olive oil, but just make sure that it's well combined and mixed together. Spread your sweet potato mixture out onto a large baking sheet. Now, depending on your oven space, you might need to use a smaller pan. And I needed to use a 9x13, and it still worked great. I decided at this point it needed a little extra olive oil, so I just gently sprinkled it on top. I love my olive oil. And then roast it in a hot oven till crispy. And the flavor contrast is so good. You're going to cook this in a 425-degree oven and between 15 to 20 minutes. But watch and stir it frequently because with the brown sugar, these can actually caramelize and get burnt. So it requires stirring to make sure that it's evenly browned on all the different sides. But the caramelization is the absolute wonderful best part of this. I love sweet potatoes, but I love them even more as a sweet and savory recipe.
These are delicious. The best side dish for your ham or turkey dinner.
If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the next link, which will take you to the pumpkin swirl cheesecake that you're going to want to make for your Thanksgiving dinner. Thanks for joining me. If you had a great time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe. And we'll see you next week.